What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And today I finally got my paddleboard and I got it all set up and it's on the water right now. I didn't want to record like me setting it up just because there's a lot of people here, but I'm here at Lake Roland. This is the first time I've ever fished on a paddleboard here. I wouldn't say there's huge fish that I've caught here before, but it's all about exploring new areas because so many of this lake isn't fished. A lot of it is like really hard to get to unless you're on a paddleboard. So these are my setups here. I got a 12-inch worm on a 1000 size reel, and then I got a Bellows Gill 3.8 on my Tranx 150. Oh, that was sick. Yes. Whew. That was crazy, dude. Alrighty, guys. First fish of the day on the brand new paddleboard. I didn't even mean to cast like that. I hit the tree and then it bounced off and I went to reel it in. I saw it chase it, bite it, and then I waited a second to set the hook. Alrighty guys, first fish on the paddleboard. Nice 1-pounder. Let's get a release on him. Whew, let's go. There's another one. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, nice. There's another one on that 3.8. A little smaller than the last one. Good fight. Almost got me stuck in that tree there. Under the bridge. Alrighty guys, again on that 3.8 Bellows Gill. They seem to keep getting smaller, but it's still really fun. Alright, let's get them back. Under the bridge is awesome too. Oh, another one. Fourth one of the day. Again on that Bellows Gill. They are loving this thing. On the drop every time. Except for that first fish. I'm gonna try the worm here real quick. I didn't even realize I hooked up. Woo! Dude. Let's go on the 12-inch worm. That's a pretty solid fish there. Probably the same as the first one. Look at how she ate that thing. That's insane. First fish on it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for the video. And I mean, I had a great time. 5 fish in one day. That's really hard to do here in Maryland. But all thanks to this paddleboard, I got it done. I mean, and only for 250 bucks around that, I got this whole thing and it is a blast. I'm gonna probably be doing this every day now because I mean, it's just so fun. But if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out. I'm probably gonna be posting a lot more if I can get on more fish. So make sure you stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next one.